Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a 10-pound chocolate Easter bunny. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right up here on the top of the page, and we're going to start by drawing one of the chocolate Easter bunny's ears. And it's a big ear because it's 10 pounds of chocolate. And we're going to go down like this, and we're going to keep it going, and it kind of curves into the side of the bunny's head, and then it curves back out for the side of the bunny's arm. And now we're going to go back where we started, and we're going to do the same thing, but this ear is a little bit flatter because when you'll see that it's going to be, the top of the ear is going to be flipped over. So we're going to curve it up, and then we're going to kind of go a little flatter with this line like this, and then we're going to curve it down. And this is the side of the other ear, and we're going to pause there, and then we're going to continue and do the other side of the head, and it's a curved line out, and it curves in, and then it continues to the side of the other arm like that. And now from here we're going to do the bottom of the chocolate Easter bunny's shape. So starting right here, we're going to do a big U shape like this. And we're going to curve it back up and connect it to that other line. Like that. And now we're going to go back up here, and we're going to draw the inner shape of the ears. So starting just down from the top of this ear, we're going to do kind of an oval, elongated oval shape. And we're going to curve it back up, and then curve it and reconnect it so it's a solid shape like that. And then right in the middle here, we're going to leave a little space, and we're going to do a vertical line down like this to show how the ears are stuck together. And now over on this ear, let's go down a little bit, and let's just do a U shape but not connect it. So this is the ear flopped over. Makes it cute like that. And now let's do that shape like this but down here over here. So starting right here, we're going to curve it down and back up. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. And we stop like that. Okay, now right here, we're going to do two little lines to show the shape of where the head starts. So it's just a slightly curved line there, and a slightly curved line there like that. Okay, now let's draw the face on this 10-pound chocolate Easter bunny. Starting right here, we're going to do a circle for one of the eyes. Like that, and then another circle here for the other eye, like that. And then inside that, let's do a smaller circle for a highlight like that, and then one over here like that. Okay, we're not going to color them in this time because we're going to actually make it a darker chocolate color, darker brown later. So right here in the middle, let's do the nose. So we'll start by doing a curved line over like that, and then kind of like a curved triangle, like down like that. And now let's do the mouth. So it's a U shape for the muzzle. So one like this, and one like that. And let's do a curved line underneath to show how the shape of the head is defined. So starting right here, it's just a curved line that goes across, and we're going to stop right there. Okay, let's do the whiskers, and these are slightly thicker lines, so we want to make them a little bit thicker, and they're two angled lines like this. That, one like that, and one like that. Okay, now let's finish the body off by doing the arms. So back down here where we stopped for that arm, we're going to continue this line up and curve it around. So we'll curve it up and around, and let's do some paw lines let's do some paw lines for the hand, and we'll do the other arm over here. So back right here Let's curve it up. And back in like that. And let's do the finger lines like that. Okay, now let's do the feet. So starting down here at the bottom, we're gonna have this line curve in like this. In and then out and around and stop like that. And let's do the same over here. So it's gonna curve in slightly and then loop around. And don't connect it, leave a little space like that. Okay, let's do the belly line. So the belly line is going to start right here and it's going to curve up and over. Like that. And we're going to continue it behind the paws. And we're going to continue it here so it has a different color belly. All right, let's do the back foot or the bottom feet paw prints. So these are just a couple of circles here, like this. And a larger oval shape for the bottom paw, and we're going to do the same over here on this side. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm going to make my 10-pound chocolate bunny brown, like the color of chocolate. Or milk chocolate. And inside the ear we'll do kind of a cream color, kind of a light yellow. The belly too. Let's do a really dark brown for the eyes, the nose, and the paws. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Happy Easter! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.